Magandang Jensen class, I am Ma'am Clarice Jane, and together with Ma'am Princess, we are going to tutor you how to use the Duolingo app. So first you must download the Duolingo app. After installing, you can see that there are Get Started and I have already an account, so you must click the Get Started button. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of languages in the video. So let's scroll it. You can see Arabic, Irish, and you must put in mind that you can choose any language that you want. But in this tutorial, we choose Japanese language. After choosing the language you want to learn, you can see a short survey asking how did you find out about the Duolingo app. And since you are watching this vlog, you can choose social media. Next, you will be asked why are you learning the language. Since we are prioritizing our academic progress, we choose school here. Okay, now we are ready to learn the basic listening, speaking, reading, writing, and grammar in Japanese. In this course content, we have 5,800 plus words and 10,900 plus sentences. Our goal in this course is to build your skills. Now press continue button. And now let's pick a goal. In casual, there is 5 minutes a day. Regular, which is 10 minutes a day. Serious, 15 minutes a day. And insane, 20 minutes a day. In this tutorial, we only choose the casual goal. But remember, we can always change the goal later if you want it longer. And then, click the continue button. And now, we will be redirected to the last question of the survey. Choose between learning Japanese for the first time and already know some Japanese words. Then, click continue. After answering the short survey, you can now take a quiz. And Mom Princess will going to teach you the next process.
Thank you, Mom Clarice, for showing the first phase of the Duolingo tutorial. Now let's proceed to the quizzes. As you can see, it has a question that asks what sound does the box says. You can press it in order to hear what is the word. You can choose the answer below. For this round, you answered sushi. If you got the correct answer, you will see that toggle. You'll just do the same thing as what I have said earlier. Nice! Let's press continue button. Now, we have a new type of quiz. Select the correct characters for sushi. In order to know what is the answer, press everything and you can hear what is the exact word for it. In this round, the first character is the right answer. In the Duolingo app, it has different type of quizzes and it is in shuffled form. You will answer and how it is asked to answer. And then a new quiz is shown. In this type of quiz, images is manifested. This will be very easy for us since we can see the pictures and identify the words easily. See, you answered water correctly. Did you know that we have 11,552 other people answering the app? Nice! Select the correct characters for the word Nico. As what we did last time, press all the choices in order for you to identify the word clearly. Press continue to proceed. Another round of image. Which one of these is sushi? This will be very easy for us since it has a picture and we already know what sushi is like. In this round, I will show you what will happen if we answered incorrectly in the Duolingo quiz. It is very obvious that Nico is the answer, but we answered sushi. And here you go, Duolingo corrected us. First mistake is no big deal. You need hearts to complete the lessons. If you ran out, practice work skills to earn them back. Please remember that practice makes progress. Don't worry if you got mistakes like this when using the app. Press the continue button. Another quiz, but this one is new. There is a person and we're gonna guess what is the answer. You know what's fun with this Duolingo app is like you're not playing alone since the icons showed is reacting to what is you're doing. If you got it correct, they will react positively. If you got it incorrect, you will see a sad face or emoticons that shows disappointments. But that's okay, it's all part of the program. Great job! Now, still click the continue button. There are more quizzes to go. Select the correct characters for Mizu. Since there are a lot of quizzes that shows what Mizu is, I know that we can answer this one correctly. If you are sure with your answer, please check. See, I got it right. Click the continue button. And now let's proceed to the matching type quiz. I know that this is very familiar to us. While clicking the choices, you will hear the words, and you can identify the answers correctly. This one, the one I'm talking about, the icon that will react positively if you got it correct. Let's try it. For this round, I answered water. See its reaction. It's very calming, heartwarming, and comforting. Duolingo is a very friendly app. Will we get it correctly? Yes, we get it correctly. See, he gave us the positive feedback and the positive reaction. As I was saying, in the Duolingo app, the quiz is in a shuffled form. So, I hope that you won't be very surprised if there are the multiple choice, or the image form, or the matching type. And now your lesson is complete. Congratulations! You've made it to the last round. You will earn a lot of XP, energy which is 10, and bonus XP energy which is 3. It depends if you cooperated well in the Duolingo app. Click to continue. Wow, you earned 24 gems. Don't spend them all in one place, because there is a shop in the Duolingo app that you might use it when it's needed. Click to continue. Wow, you got a 1-day streak, but your streak will reset if you don't practice tomorrow. So I think and I suggest you should play tomorrow. Not just to play, but to learn, especially the Japanese language. Next is you've unlocked a gift. This one will be used if you missed a round or if you really missed a 1-day streak. Now it's time to create a profile. In order to maximize the Duolingo app, I suggest that we should create a profile. And of course, in order to save our progress. If you don't have a Facebook account and Google account, I suggest that you should answer the short survey that is manifested above. But since I have a Google account, I will use Google account this time. Just press the Google button. Let us wait for some time since Duolingo is approving our account. And here you go. We are redirected to its main interface or homepage of the app. You're given the choice to launch the next lesson or just continue it in another day. Now, I'm going to show you what is inside the main homepage of our application, the basics one. It has 5 levels. We have answered already the level 1, the basics 2, the 5 levels. You need to answer all the basics 1 levels in order to proceed to the basics 2. I'm scrolling it down for you in order for you to be informed what is really inside of our applications. As you will finish all these checkpoints and level, you will get to checkpoint 9, which stated your progress in learning Japanese language. I think that we have reached the end of our Duolingo application tutorial. I really hope that you have learned a lot. And this is me, Mom Princess Joss Lizelle L. Putian, together with Mom Clarice Jane O. Baysac, and we are now signing off in this Duolingo app tutorial. Until next time!